Kamusta naman? Dahil ko yung tao dito sa... Beauty Dawn here in SMX.
That was an amazing performance. Kinilig pa kayo dyan? Lakas naman, kinilig pa kayo dyan? Kinilig kami. So, David, if you don't mind, let's sit here with Mommy Nish.
Hello, what is your name?
Nice to meet you.
You are? Mommy
Ginawa
Nish. Oh. Why is your name Mommy Nish?
It's the title when you mo, parang kadikit na talaga yung
Ako and a mom host model, Miss Nish. So David, I have been following you on your social media. Yes.
Can I see?
And wait lang, wala akong cellphone, pero you know how you know I follow you? Nagba-basketball yan ng topless. Nag-gym pa yan ng topless. Kala mo hindi ko nakita, ha? And you are a restaurateur, entrepreneur. Gusto kong matry yung food mo soon. But I have a question. How do you keep yourself fresh considering you've done a lot of sports, actor ka pa, you have a lot of lines to memorize. So, what's your secret?
Well, yeah, I mean, with everything that I do, I would say marami akong ginagawa. You know, again, like what you said, I'm an athlete, I play basketball, and yung acting is always there. My businesses, lagi rin yan dyan. Diba? So for me, I just have, you know, like, 3 things that I have to do every single day for me to be confident. Siyempre sa ginagawa ko sa buhay, kailangan mo talaga ng confidence. Eh. Well, I mean, not just for me, but like for everybody, I believe that confidence is key. Diba? Like in everything talaga. So what I do is, I need my physical health to be on that, you know, like tier. Siyempre, I work out, I play basketball. Yung mental health ko naman, I try to meditate, I try to read a book, para like the mental state ko, like creative, assertive, diba? And of course, yung hygiene din, diba? Sa akin naman, syempre, maliligo ka. Maliligo ka.
David, sana all maligo lang, ganun nakagwapo. At ganyang kaganda, ligo-ligo lang.
But yeah, yun, kailangan maligo, kailangan mong mag-toothbrush. And ang pinaka-like kong talagang hindi kinakalimutan is yung breath spray.
Breath spray.
Diba?
or that.
Mommy Nish, speaking of breath spray.
Diba, we're speaking about staying fresh and on the go freshness. Ang oral breath spray talaga ng Dermaid, hindi yan pwedeng mawala sa atin. But it's just so small and you can put it in your pocket, diba? So, anytime spray lang ako, I do it like 2 sprays talaga ako. And grabe, instant, cool, and refresh talaga yung breath mo.
And did you know guys, ang Dermaid, hindi lang siya oral breath spray. They have different variants from citrus fresh, strawberry mint, fresh peppermint, and cool spearmint. David, anong favorite mo? Fruity or minty?
Minty.
Minty guys, go to the Dermaid booth there on your right side. Later on, bumili kayo ng cool spearmint. David, for you, nag-spray ako ng minty. Nali ako. Okay, so, we will also want to make sure na i-remember ninyo na later on to visit the booth there, Derm 8 on the right side. Kasi
Booth
later
right there?
on, yeah,
Ito yung booth, guys, ha?
Yes.
Very
Mommy
Pupunta
Nish,
tayo dun mamaya.
yeah, Mommy Nish and David will be there to teach you. You're gonna teach them how to do bread spray.
Spray daw.
Yeah, so thank you for that tip, Mommy Nish. So, if you don't mind, let's bring back the sparkle to all Derm 8 fans because calling the winners of those who purchased Derm 8 products of 999 pesos worth. Nandiyan ba kayo? Ayun, nandito sila. Okay, those who purchased 999 pesos worth of Derm 8 products, marami na yun ha. So fresh and confident kayo, Mr. David Licalco will be serenading you guys once again.
Narinig ko sila, yung mga bumili. Ano?
No one ever saw me like you do. All the things that I could add up to, I never knew just what a smile was worth. But your eyes say everything without a single word. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's as if my heart knows you're a missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing and there's so
Alright, so let me just talk about our product a little bit more before we dive into this experiment. Excited na ba kayo? Great! So we mentioned that Close-Up has this innovation that is a game changer for your oral care routine, and that is the new Close-Up White Now. Barbie, you mentioned earlier parang you had coffee today.
Yes, yes.
Do you
At
love
saka
coffee?
kumain po ako ng afritada kanina, so medyo masarsa.
Ganon. Lahat ka ng colored food.
Oo, mahilig ako sa ganyan. Diyos ko, Filipino food, alam natin yan, makukulay, di ba, masarsa. Siyempre, ang kape, lagi yung kasama sa ating morning routine. Oh. Yes, oo.
So with those colored food, no, apitada, coffee, tea, wine, soft drinks, soy sauce, those are foods and drinks that we consume minsan on a daily basis.
Yes.
And these colored food and drink, they can sometimes take a toll on the brightness of our smiles, and they can discolor or make our teeth more yellow, Barbie.
Over time.
Yes, over time. So that's why we should be using a good product that can help whiten our teeth.
Yes, parang hindi natin kailangan iwasan yung masasarap na pagkain.
Tama-tama ka dyan.
Masaya pa rin.
Yes. So for that, we were inspired by this problem, and that's how we formulated Close-Up White Now. Did you know that Close-Up White Now can deliver up to 4 times whitening power? 4 times whitening power.
Instantly.
Yes. So we have a few variants here. I'll talk to you more about them.